Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert drop-down inputs in the designer. Just like any other module, drag and drop a drop-down input from the left-hand menu to where you would like to place it. Once in place, we can click this module to change its configuration. When the module is selected, you will see dashed lines around it, and this will bring the contextual menu on the right. Here, we must first select the named range this input will be associated with from the named range selection. This drop-down will give us the list of all available named ranges with the cell references in parentheses. Next, select the named range containing the list of options. A similar type of drop-down selection will let you choose from available named ranges. Name is the text label that will be displayed next to the input. We can simply change this by clicking here. Two different styles are available under the style selection. The first one comes with a search bar that you can type in to look up options, while the second one offers a more traditional look. Horizontal and vertical label alignments can be adjusted from the corresponding drop-downs. Note that this will only affect the label and not the input text. The label can be further customized using the label size selector. The default value dropdown will give us the list of available fields from our named range to assign as a default value. Resetting the inputs or refreshing a record will return this input to the selected value. We can also enter a text to be shown for this input when no value is selected. This can be done from the No Option Selected item text. The tooltip text will be displayed when you mouse over this input field. This can be useful to inform the end user about the nature of this field. Use the friend name tag if you want the application to show the column name for this input. When Trigger Calculations option is enabled, this input will trigger calculations in the entire worksheet. You can leave this enabled in most cases. If you are using a rather complicated spreadsheet with a lot of calculations, it might be a good idea to disable this option and add a Calculate button instead. This input can be disabled or hidden by the value of a cell. To do this, we can choose from Enabled or Visible drop-downs and then select the option by value of, and then point it to a Boolean named range from our spreadsheet. When the Boolean result is true, then the input will be enabled. When it's giving false, the input will be disabled. The same is true for the visible option. Remember to press the Submit button to save your changes to this input.